Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we are going to see how to properly specify the termination criteria for a Fidelity Charles simulation. In Fidelity Charles, the user provides the solver settings through an input text file which the solver reads only during startup. Normally, as part of the solver input file, the user is expected to provide the conditions after which the simulation should stop. In case this was not done, the user can still make runtime modifications to the solver settings through a kill charge file, and we have provided more information about the usage of this file in another video. There are three parameters that can be used to define the termination criteria in Fidelity Charles. They are the end steps, sim time, and runtime. The end steps parameter is used to define the number of time steps that the simulation has to run. Once this number is reached, the solver will automatically save the solution and stop the simulation. The step number is always printed on the log file at the beginning of the time step. The user must remember that for a simulation which has been restarted from a previous solution, the solver calculates the time steps cumulatively. So if the previous solution has run for 20,000 steps and n steps is set to 25,000, then the new simulation will run only for the 5,000 time steps. If the user wants to change this behavior, then they can reset the step value to 0 or any other number of their choice by using the init step 0 command when setting up the initial conditions for the simulation. Then there is the sim time parameter, which lets the user run the simulation for a particular amount of simulation time. This is useful when the user knows beforehand how much time their simulation must be run for. This time is also printed in the log file at the start of each time step. And finally, there is the runtime parameter, which defines the length of the wall time for a simulation. For example, when this is set to 38, the simulation will run for 38 hours of wall time, then the solution will be saved and the solver will exit. This approach is particularly useful when running on computing systems where there is a time limit on the duration of each job. When a runtime is provided, the solver prints this at the last line of each time step. Please note that the final saving of the solution is done after the runtime criterion is satisfied, so that the user has to provide a suitable value to the runtime parameter such that there is still sufficient time for saving the solution before the queuing system kills the job. With this video, I hope that you have gained a good understanding of the various parameters that can be used to stop the Fidelity Charles simulation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.